Hello guys, so today I'll be sharing with you two remedies that can help you to get rid of your dark inner thighs. Now, if you have stubborn dark inner thighs that you're trying to get rid of, this video is the only video that you're going to watch, and it's going to help you to get rid of that dark inner thighs, okay? Because I have two remedies for you that you can use in today's video to help get rid of that stubborn dark inner thighs. Now, before we get right into what the remedy are, let's talk about some of the causes, some of the reasons why you are having dark inner thighs. Number one on my list is that you are wearing tight clothes. When you are wearing tight gown, wearing tight skirt, wearing tight leggings, all this can be the reason why you are having dark inner thighs. And because when you are wearing all these tight clothes, sometimes hair, like fresh hair, do not, penetrate into your skin. And sometimes because of that reason, it can accumulate dead skin cells in that area, and it can cause you to have dark inner thighs. Now, another reason why you are having dark inner thighs is because you are not exfoliating your skin. Yes, I know most of you guys do not like exfoliating your skin because you feel like, oh, you don't have to go through that stress, or you spend too much time in the bathroom exfoliating your skin. Can also be the reason why you are having dark inner thighs, because you're not exfoliating your skin. Now, the third reason why you're having dark inner thighs is because you sweat in that area. Maybe your thighs are closing together like this, and because of that, you tend to sweat a lot in that area, and it can also cause you to have dark inner thighs. So what you want to do is that you want to be able to wear more of loose clothes, free clothes that will allow breeze to enter into that area. And also you want to exfoliate your skin, and also you want to ensure to wear, maybe you wear trouser or you wear shorts, but you make sure that those trouser or the shorts that you're wearing is free, so that breeze can penetrate into your body, and it can penetrate into those areas and cause you less of sweat. Okay, so you want to be able to do that. Number one remedy is baking soda. Yes, baking soda is a very good lightening agent that will help exfoliate your skin properly and will also help get rid of dark inner thighs. Now, this is a new hack that I just discovered, and it's going to help you. It's going to save you a lot of stress, a lot of embarrassment, because I know how dark inner thighs can be so embarrassing. Okay, when you want to go out in the public, you cannot wear some kind of things because you know that area is too dark and you cannot expose it because it's just kind of embarrassing. So I know what it is. So what you want to do is that you want to get baking soda and use it on that area to exfoliate your skin. Now, this app can also be used on your face. If you have, maybe your face is a bit darker than your body, you can use baking soda to do this hack. When you have dark neck, when your neck is darker than your body, you can use baking soda to also work on that area. And today's video, we are talking about the dark inner thighs, and baking soda is what we are going to be using to get rid of that dark inner thighs. Okay, now the second remedy for you guys for today is aloe vera gel. Yes, it can be aloe vera gel, it can be fresh aloe vera, anyone that you can lay your hands on. These two remedies will help you to get rid of your dark inner thighs and just give your skin that beautiful and flawless skin and restore back your confidence. So let's talk about how you're going to use this product. Now, let's start with the baking soda. When you are using baking soda on your skin, you want to use it with a lightening soap. You want to use it with a lightening soap. You don't want to use it like that on your skin, because it is not going to give you that effectiveness that you want, except you are using it with a lightening soap. Like for me, when I'm using my baking soda, I always like to use it with either a lightening bar soap or a black soap. For now, I'm using this black soap for now. So I'll show you guys real quick. So this is my black soap. So this is a brightening black soap. This is what I use to, to clean my body, and this is also a treatment black soap, and it's also going to help brighten up your skin. So this is what I use. What I do is that when I'm using this black soap, I just put little water on my hands and apply, just massage the black soap and make sure that I get out the lather from this black soap, and then I go in with my baking soda and I just use it to scrub that area. Even if you cannot lay your hands on this black soap, you can also use any lightening bar soap you have in your bathroom. Just follow this step. Okay, so you're going to put the bar soap and water in your pan and just massage it. So just get that lather from it. What you're going to do next is that you're going to put your baking soda and just, mix everything together and use it to just scrub that inner thighs, the dark inner thighs, and do this, leave it for a while, then before you rinse it off. That way it is going to get rid of the dark inner thighs, and you're going to be doing this like 2 times weekly. Okay, 2 times weekly. Don't do this every day because it can make your skin really sensitive, so you don't want to do it every day. You can only do it like 2 times weekly. Then the next thing you're going to do is the aloe vera gel. For the aloe vera gel, you're going to be using it after exfoliating your skin with the baking soda. You're going to apply aloe vera gel in that area. When you apply the aloe vera gel, do not rinse the aloe vera gel off. Okay, if you are using aloe vera gel, if you are using the natural aloe vera, just apply it on that area, massage it into your skin and leave it. It is going to stay for 24 hours. Do not rinse it off, okay? Because aloe vera gel is a very good healing property that is going to help in that particular area that you have the dark inner thighs. So you want to do this, and you want to do it consistently until you get your desired results. Now, you can use the aloe vera gel every day on that area, but when it comes to the baking soda, ensure to use it maybe like 2 times weekly. Do not do more than that, okay? Do not exfoliate your skin more than that, because it can make your skin really sensitive and it might just end up damaging your skin. So you want to do it and be considerate while doing it, okay? So that is how you are going to do it consistently to get rid of your dark inner thighs. So with that being said, we are done for today. Okay, this is all I have for you guys for today. I hope you will find this video helpful. Please do it to like this video and also subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this remedy. If you have tried it or if you're going to try it, just let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys.